Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or any other Samsung phone if it's not turning on or just like this. So let's follow these steps. First thing, you want to rule out that it has charged. So go ahead and charge it for at least half an hour. So sometimes the charging cable can break. You may need to replace them. Try a different charger, and in some case you can also do wireless charging in case the charging port is damaged or has issue or isn't charging through the charging port. Now, once you know it's charged and still not turning on, you are going to follow this method. You are going to locate the volume down button and the power or the side button. You are going to press and hold on to both of these buttons. So volume down and the power button at the same time. You are going to keep on holding until you can get the Samsung logo to appear. Once it appears, you are in business. You should have the phone now turning back on and the issue should be fixed. Now, in some scenario, if it does not work, try to hold it down for 30 seconds to a minute as long as you can or until you can get the Samsung logo to appear. So guys, these are the two methods you can try. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.